Hi everybody. Well, today I am outside of Medina, New York. And in the early 1800s, they were digging this big ditch called the Erie Canal. And they got to this spot. And there's this natural valley through here. And rather than go to the expense of filling it in, only to build a bridge, they decided that they would build a bridge for the canal. So they made what is now known as the Medina Culvert. It's the only spot along the entire length of the canal that you can drive under it. And it's 7'6", so obviously I am not going to take my 11-foot tall bus through there. What I can do is fly the drone through there. So they built this 1823, I think I said, and it is somewhat of a tourist attraction, not really well known. And because the canal goes over it, it's sort of damp in there. It's always got a drip, and they don't totally drain the canal in the winter. So if you were here during the months when it's freezing, it's sort of like driving through an ice cave. Be icicles on the walls, and might be a little slick, so you go a little bit slower than you do this time. Nobody's coming. So anyway, let me get the drone up in the air and get an idea of what it looks like, what this goes through in the canal, and I'll see if I can fly through there to give you a feel for what it's like to go under the Erie Canal. Well, there's a little plaque over there. It says the Culvert Road, and it said it's was in Ripley's Believe It or Not. So that's today, a little short video. Not a lot more about it, but it's still a cool place. If you're ever in Western New York along the canal and you get near Medina, look for Culvert Road and check it out. So I'm gonna get back on the road and see what other cool stuff I can find you. Bye, YouTube.
yourselves and come for your women. We will do what